welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine and this is Just Been Katherine, and in today's video I'm going to be making over our living room space. So we live in an apartment and our living room area is a little odd. It's right in between our sunroom and our kitchen area, facing only one wall between a bookshelf and our bedroom. So our living room really doesn't have a space of its own, and that is what I wanted to do today, is section it off, make it more cozy, make it feel more us. As I was preparing this video, I was coming up with ideas for it, and the title that I came up with was A Guide to a Cozy Space. And I was like, I realized I can't even talk to y'all about what a cozy space is if I never experienced it, but I know what it's not. So this video may be a little different than my other makeovers. I will be sharing from my personal experience what makes this space comfortable, cozy, and safe. It's gonna be a storytelling, very chill and relaxing, and I'm going to just take you through each part of this space as we transform it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and if you like what you see throughout the video, definitely give it a thumbs up.
Growing up, I never understood the significance of photos until I lived in my first apartment with a floor mattress and bare walls. It felt like I was a visitor paying rent. Fast forward 7 years and I'm married now. But shortly after, I lost my job, so decorating was not on my priority list. But I was determined not to move into our first apartment together, having that same feeling of a cold and empty space. Photos are great for design, but they too tell a personal story, sustain memories, and they bring life into an empty room. I went several years without a TV stand, and prior, without a TV. My very first adult purchase was this TV stand. I had it for over 5 years, and I remember it was $80 online, and it looked larger and what I thought higher quality. But I guess things don't always appear as they seem. So I wanted to show y'all in like true form what this TV stand usually looks like after a week, heading into a weekend, because it is not clean like I usually show y'all on Instagram. I have all of these cords, and that's one thing I didn't think about when I bought this, is that it's an open area. There is a hole back here for cords, but you can still see it. And then we have these drawers hanging on by tape. Space is just so small. We literally have stuff stacked back there. Some books, I don't even know, more cords. It's just a lot. It's a lot. We have outgrown this entire TV stand. It did serve its purpose when it was just me, but like in life, you outgrow things to make room for something even greater. Really do appreciate things more when you have had something of lesser quality. So we decided to go for a console that was wider in length, less bold in color, lots of storage, and our top priority, it has to have cabinets. It's something about the visibility of cords that make a room feel cluttered and look very chaotic. But this is something we can control even when anxiety says otherwise. This is a wall cord covering, and you can find a variety of sizes and affordable ones at your local hardware store. The one that I have is 5 feet tall and less than 1 inch wide, enough for exactly 2 cords, removable adhesive, and a gliding 2-piece for easy installations. Never in a million years did I think I would be using hardware tools. They can be very intimidating, but this is me stepping out of my comfort zone. Almost there! Yay! Your home should be your place of peace. But for my husband and I, we had gotten to a point where we were just so uncomfortable in our own home, mentally drained from working and uninspired from our surroundings. So after donating and selling a lot of stuff, we started over. Our sectional we kept. We knew this wasn't our forever home, And one day we would like to take it with us when we decide to buy a house. But for now, we're happy where we are. Our sectional has great bones, tons of pillows, an ottoman that equals as a storage and a game table, and not to mention the immense comfort. But our personal style was still missing. Gone are the days where we coexist with our furniture. The Bohemian style, I believe, can be a lifestyle. It's carefree, relaxed, personal, and has a lot of visual interest. The trick to styling a sectional with pillows for the Bohemian style is having a lot of textures, different sizes, and unique designs.
It looks so good. A first rug.
I've slept on a lot of surfaces in my life, and my feet has walked many places, lots of miles, stood for long hours. I'm familiar with discomfort. This rug is from Ruggable, and they're known to make handmade rugs that can be machine washed. Our rug provided immediate comfort, a break from our hardwood floors, and it added that tribal, subtle, soulful design to our already Bohemian style.
So now that we have the TV console set up, I'm very, very excited about it. We are going to start styling the top of it. Because this TV console is on the floor, it does show the outlets right here. I could have easily added legs to this, but I have an even simpler solution. I'm adding a basket to the console this way that I can put anything that I don't want out, any eyesore accessories inside this basket. I have some essential oils for my diffuser. And then my husband plays video games, so his console too can go into the basket and it'll be hidden. You guys asked me how do you style the ottoman or a table console, and because I have an ottoman, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Start off with a blank slate. First thing we're going to do is add texture to the ottoman with the faux sheepskin. Also bring up a lot of that beige. I like this throw shag. I have a couple of them actually. Really do elevate basic items, have that vintage feel. You want to add some type of basket or tray, and I have a marble tray that I'm going to be using. Guys, I wanted to show y'all my very first West Elm purchase ever. But this is so cool. It's heavy too. This is fancy. This is nice. This is real nice. Really love the gold handles and the marble. Again, breaking up all of that beige, adding a little bit more color, but being subtle. And then adding the base with some baby breath and faux palm leaves. I DIY'd these in my previous video. I'm gonna link it up here so that you guys can watch it after this video. And of course, to bring everything together, I'm gonna be adding a candle that smells incredibly amazing. I have this pumpkin season candle from my good friend Ebony. She has a candle company, it's Black owned. I'm gonna leave all of her information down below. I've been lighting her seasonal candles throughout the year before we even made it to fall. I feel at peace and I'm very calm. Smelling that brings memories and make you feel a certain way. And I want this space to feel cozy and inviting. But of course I want to take safety precautions. And if I'm not monitoring the real candle, I do have a faux candle that I'm going to place right beside it. Just topping off with some coasters and a candle trimmer. So not doing too much, but adding the texture to the ottoman, and then the tray with the eucalyptus and the baby breath and the different colors on top of each other really pulls in that Bohemian style.
I love the color yellow. It reminds me of my mom. Adding a seagrass basket that will function not only as a serving tray, but to hold and hide our remotes. My husband and I spend a lot of time in our living room. Here is where we laugh, cozy up, cry, have a lot of visitors. Plants are my newfound hobby, and it's something about them. They're so calming to have a little bit of nature indoors. Fill your home with stories, memories, your personality. I can truly say from my own experience, home is a feeling of love, security, peace, and comfort. Although we look for those things in things, we must remember homes are built on the foundation of wisdom and understanding. Where there is knowledge, the rooms are furnished with valuable and beautiful things.
That's all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Favorite features about the Bohemian style is that everything appears lived in, free-spirited, comfortable, cozy, and I think I achieved that today. So I hope you take some suggestions and ideas to implement in your own space, and as always, I will talk to y'all later.